Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make a one skillet dish, beef and noodles all in one pot. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of dishes that'll get you there. Now let's get busy. We are going to start at first by preparing the base for our sauce. So we are going to chop up our garlic and onions. First going to go in with about 5 pats, but it's about 2.5 tablespoons of butter. Then we're going to go in with our garlic and onions. Okay, so our onions are pretty much translucent and our garlic has softened. We want to go in with a little flour so we can make a roux. Now we're going to go in with our beef broth. And just let this cook until it's nice and smooth. To this, we're going to add about a teaspoonful of tomato paste. Stir that in, bringing it up to a boil. Shakes of Worcestershire sauce. Now guys, you can use ground beef or any other beef. I'm actually using some leftover roast beef that I had. We are adding some egg noodles, just regular egg noodles, guys. And right on in. And we want our noodles to cook, so we're going to go in with a little water. Now we're going to put the top on this. We're going to let it cook until the noodles become soft, and then we got a few more ingredients we're going to add. Okay guys, we've been simmering. Now we're going to go in with a little heavy cream so we can make it nice and creamy. A little salt, a little black pepper, and season to taste. And we're putting in some little English peas. We want to give this a nice stir and make it nice and creamy. It's almost like beef stroganoff, guys. Almost like beef stroganoff. While that continues to simmer, we're just going to cut up a little scallion for garnish. Hey guys, doesn't that look amazing? Okay, let's do our taste test. Okay guys, thank you for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and give it a quick taste test. Yes. Ooh, it's hot. Can you see the steam? Oh my goodness. Ooh. Creamy, rich, and delicious, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe. Join me on Facebook at Cooking with Chef and More. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.